All right, this is Clark and Saba's group. Our project was taillights. They're in the car. We'll start off with the turn signals. So what I did there, left turn, on the front here, right turn, headlights, which will provide taillights, and runners up front. We can see that left turn with the running lights operates. Right turn with running lights. Oops, that needs to stay on. This is going to be brake light. One second. Alright, so shove the pipe in there. Oh, looks like I still got a signal going. So that's just brake lights. As you can see, signals and brake lights work. Finally, signal brake and tail. As you can see up front, we still got some running lights, some turn signals. And get you outlined on what's going on in here. This is where the main control center's at. A lot going on here, obviously. Start off, there's our microcontroller. Microcontroller it's powered by a 12 volt to 3.3 volt adapter in the form of a cigarette lighter. That's 12 volt power and ground. All my signals are 12 volt for the brake and the turn and the headlights. So these are all trim pots which take the 12 volt signal and tune it down to 5 volts for the inputs on the MSP 430. So I got a 12 volt turn signal wire, for example. It comes in as 12 volts, gets turned down through the resistance in the potentiometer, and then becomes 5 volts. Yeah, other than that, that bus is 12 volt, that bus is 5 volt. All my outputs are 5 volt. So here's a transistor bank. You see one there, another one there, third one down there, 2 N7000s. And what they do is they take the 3.3 volt out when the microcontroller receives an input and tells the lights to turn on in sequence. It's going to give the 3 volt signal to the transistor, which then acts as a solid state relay to turn the lights on, which all the lights are run on 12 volt. So we got 12 volt inputs converted down to 5 volts, 5 volt outputs converted back up to 12 volts for the actual lights. I left the buttons in place for testing, and basically I pull brake lights and tail lights from back here, and I'm pulling my turn signals from the stalk at the column. And then I have my 12 volt power supply straight to the battery, just to make things ultra reliable. That's our project. Thanks for watching.